Did you know AI can now write entire books? It's a revelation that's shaking the very foundations of the literary world. We're not talking about simple text generation or automated content anymore. We're witnessing the dawn of an era where artificial intelligence can craft intricate narratives, develop complex characters, and even emulate the distinct styles of renowned authors. Imagine a library filled with books penned not by human hands, but by lines of code. It's not a distant future scenario, it's happening right now. AI-powered algorithms are churning out novels, non-fiction works, and even academic papers at an unprecedented rate. These aren't just coherent strings of words, they're fully fledged literary works that can engage, entertain, and inform readers. The implications of this technology are nothing short of revolutionary. Publishing houses are exploring AI as a tool to meet the insatiable demand for content. Aspiring authors are using it to overcome writer's block or to generate ideas. But it doesn't stop there. AI is being employed to analyze market trends, predict bestsellers, and even tailor stories to individual reader preferences. But with great power comes great controversy. The rise of AI-authored books is sparking intense debates about the nature of creativity, the value of human expression, and the future of the writing profession. Will AI replace human authors entirely? Or will it become a collaborative tool, enhancing human creativity rather than supplanting it? Critics argue that AI-generated literature lacks the soul, the lived experience, and the nuanced understanding of the human condition that makes great literature truly resonate. Proponents, on the other hand, see it as a democratizing force, making content creation accessible to all and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in storytelling. As we stand on the brink of this literary revolution, one thing is clear: the world of books will never be the same. AI is not just changing how we write, it's transforming how we think about authorship, creativity, and the very essence of what it means to tell a story. The next book you read might be crafted by an artificial mind, challenging everything you thought you knew about literature. Are you ready to turn the page on this new chapter in human-AI collaboration?